Are your Managed DirectX Direct Play application failing because of the Microsoft.Directx Direct Play DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we get into the manual guide for Microsoft DirectX Direct Play, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Microsoft DirectX Direct Play, the managed .NET assembly for the legacy Direct Play networking engine. It is required for older CRS games to handle multiplayer socket communication. While standard Direct Play is built in, this managed wrapper is often missing from clean OS installs, resulting in an assembly load failure. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Microsoft.Directx Direct Play DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Managed DirectX Direct Play toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft DirectX Direct Play. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Microsoft DirectX Directplay.dll, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Microsoft DirectX Direct Play. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Microsoft DirectX Direct Play dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.